Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to create this awesome web page design in Figma. Let's get started. Select frame and choose desktop. Drag and drop GIF. Duplicate frame using Ctrl-D. Delete this GIF. Change color of desktop to. Select rectangle tool and create navigation bar. Drag and drop logo. Create button using rectangle tool. Add text using text tool. Group this layer and duplicate it. Change color of this text and background. Duplicate this group. Change text of both buttons. Align it properly. Follow this step with another buttons. Select each group and ungroup it. Select two buttons and create component set. Follow this same step with rest of buttons. Switch to prototype and drag plus icon to red box. Set it to while hovering. Follow this step with another buttons. Select white button and click on plus icon. Follow this steps with another button. Drag and drop this button to the navigation bar, while holding Alt or key from your keyboard. Follow this step with another buttons. Switch to design. Drag and drop GIF. Let's add 3D model of F1 car. Scale and adjust it. Add some text to the web page. Create call to action button. Duplicate frame. Group this 2 layers. Move this group. Also move this 3D model. Change opacity to 5%. Switch to prototype for final interactions. Connect desktop 1 to desktop 2 using plus icon. Follow this interaction details. Now connect desktop 2 to desktop 3 using plus icon. Follow this interaction details. Hit play icon to see output.